Good morning, so here's Thursday's timetable. So we start a bit of reading. There is a BBC bite-sized lesson for reading. It's Dindy and the Elephant, so if you want to tune into that, you can use that for your reading time today, by all means, or if you prefer your own book and that's what you'd like to get on with in this reading time, feel free to do that as well. So we have a letter writing activity first. There is a video there to help you, and I would like to see that letter written to that person you are missing, including all the details that we planned yesterday. Make it heartfelt and include emotion as well. This may actually be a letter that you send to this person that you are missing. It's an opportunity to do that as well. For maths, we'll be looking at adding and subtracting money using some of the skills we learnt yesterday when we converted from pounds to pence and pence to pounds. And I've got some problems for you to solve. The answers are on the sheets that I've provided at the bottom, so parents, be ready to check that children have shown you their working out to support the answer that they are given. At the end of the day, I'd like an advert written for us for our model or display that we've created, and I've given you an example of an advert there to help you, so feel free to use that. So it's time to write that letter that we've planned. It is to someone close to you, someone that you know, and it needs to include all of the things that we have planned. Your first paragraph is going to just introduce the letter, explain why it's been written, and the background to everything that we've done, and then we're going to paragraph each of our weeks to give us enough content to write here. So you need to be clear in what it is you've done and how you felt for each week. Please make sure you include that emotion and feeling, because this is a letter to somebody that you know, and sign it off at the bottom, just making sure that it's clear what it is you'd like to be doing in the future, what you've missed. And it would be nice if some of these were actual letters that we send to people, especially our family and friends that we're missing. And it might be that this is the first of many of letters that we write over the next few weeks. So here is the shop, the items that you will be using for your problem solving today. They are all fruits that we will be purchasing and getting change from certain amounts of money, hence the need to add and subtract with these values of money. You may even need to convert these from pounds and pence into pounds, and from pounds into pence using yesterday's skills. I've got two of the challenges here on screen for you to work with. If you feel you'd like to delve a little deeper, there are other challenges in the files that I've put onto the website, or if you'd like to create your own problems, you can write your own questions or ask an adult to write questions to solve as well. So for your topic this afternoon, I'd like to create a persuasive advert, a poster or leaflet, advertising your model or display that you've created for VE Day. I've included here as an example an Alton Towers advert, a leaflet. They're very successful with their adverts, very captivating and engaging, lots of excitement, and I'd like you to create that with your advert as well. Please remember that we could use the A Forest technique here to help us with this advert. The A Forest technique, if you remember, includes A for alliteration, F for facts, or at least information that sounds like facts, O for people's opinions that are of course going to be over the top and very excited about your display, R for the rhetorical questions, E for the very emotive language to make people feel that they must see this, S for those statistics, and T for the triples, the rules of three. Make it repeat information to make it sound as though it is fact. So a little bit of options here with how you're going to present this. It could be as a leaflet or a poster, but please don't make the mistake in thinking that a poster is just a picture with a handful of words on there. We must have some writing there to engage with our audience and get them interested.